Hi ladies, I would be remiss if I didn't come on to give a special shout out to WLilyhair for hooking me up with this waterwave headband wig, y'all. This hair is the bomb. Y'all know we don't say the bomb anymore, but I love this hair, y'all. Y'all, this hair took only 2 minutes for me to install. Y'all, it's soft, beautiful, y'all, curly. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of description about the hair, y'all. It's a body wave, straight, water wave, deep wave, kinky hair, loose wave, and closure, y'all. It's 100% virgin human hair. The length is 10 inches. It has a 20-inch closer, y'all. It has no shedding, no tangle. Double machine weft, soft, thick, smooth, and luster. It have a strong weft and healthy ends. Just what we need, ladies, just to get out the door to get beautified. You don't have to take all day doing our hair. So, y'all, I love it. I love it, y'all. Again, WLilyhair, WLilyhair. They are on Instagram, so shop with them, y'all. You can shop with them through Amazon as well. So I'm loving my human virgin water wave headband wig. So shout out to WLilyhair. Y'all did it. This is 100, y'all. Y'all did it, y'all. So go shop with them, y'all. WLilyhair, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.